welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. This one is for the month of July 2022, so we're gonna dive right in. So we have got a little booklet on top, and we shall read a little note with it. Fast friends, it's a good time of year to take things easy, whether that looks like long afternoons in the park, coffee with the newspaper, or a beauty routine that does all the heavy lifting for you. So we've packed your July box with quick-acting products that make crisp lipstick, summery nail art, and radiant skin a cinch. There are the coolest beachy ombre nail art stickers from Allure Vista Beauty award-winning brand Mani Me, a La Roche-Posay cleanser that gives you softer skin every time you wash your face, and vitamin C infused patches that you pop on before bed for brighter skin when you wake up. It doesn't get much easier than that. Very cool. So, let's try to go in the order that this goes. So the first thing in here is from PCA Skin, Rebalance Daily Moisturizer for all skin types. So this is full size and retail price $53 for this little guy. Why you'll love it. After a day in the sun or on a hot morning, this extra light moisturizer is as refreshing as a cool iced latte, only better because it is fortified with soothing antioxidants, niacinamide, and vitamin E to coddle and protect skin all summer long. That does sound good. How you'll use it? Morning and night, slather this on to keep skin happy and dewy. It's amazing for reviving your skin and mood after you've been outside in the heat, and it layers well under your favorite sunscreen. Sounds really, really nice, actually. Next, here they are. Salon-worthy nail art in under 10 minutes. So you can see the ombre. I'm holding them close because back here it just looks pink and you can't really see the ombre. Although now that I held it up close, now you can see it. So these are the Mani Me standard size stick-on gels in mochi ombre. I love mochi. So retail price $15 for a set. Why you'll love it. Mani Me's nail stickers are unique in that they're made from real gel polish, so they look just like a professional manicure, last up to 10 days without chipping, and they don't lift or bubble in the shower or snag on hair like some other nail stickers. That right there, the only experiences I've had were like that. And this beachy pink ombre design is effortlessly cool. How you'll use it: wash and dry your hands, clean your nails with the included prep pad, and then apply each sticker, leaving a small gap between your cuticle and the polish. Press firmly to smooth any wrinkles, fold the gel over the top of your nail, and after about 30 seconds, file away the excess using downward strokes. Angle the file away from your nails. As if people couldn't comprehend what the word downward meant. So, those are cool. I might actually use those. So then from Ofra, you know I love my Ofra, we have the liquid lipstick in Canyon. That is kind of a dark color, but it also kind of matches my hair, so I'm like, alright, that could work, maybe. So retail price $20. A new go-to for red lips that are a bit subtler and completely chic. Why you'll love it? This velvety terracotta red is gorgeous and easy to wear in more ways than one. It's got staying power that lasts through an order of fries without requiring touch-ups throughout the afternoon. If that is true, this could be a game changer. However, it remains to be seen because usually oil is the thing that breaks down lipstick. So we'll see. I'm skeptical of that claim. And the muted shade has a casual chic vibe that's a great laid-back alternative to the usual reds and pinks. How you'll use it: there's no need for lip liners or balms here. The precise doe-foot wand gives you a neat application, and the formula is infused with aloe and vitamin E, so it's comfy, not to mention featherlight on lips. I am again skeptical, because usually matte lipsticks, that is not a thing, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe it's a game changer. Maybe they're pulling my leg. I don't know, but we'll find out. So then, ooh, there's a set from a brand called Nativa Spa, and it's their starter kit. So retail price $12 for a set of 4 1-ounce tubes. And I think these are exactly that size. So why you'll love it. Each of these 4 rich body creams leaves skin feeling smooth, moisturized, and soft with glorious scents like vanilla or rose that will make you want to sniff your arm again and again and again. How you'll use it. Perfect for keeping dry skin and ashiness at bay all summer long. You'll want to have one of these on hand all the time. I don't leave my house without tossing at least one on or into my bag, says Allure's Gabby Thorne. So let me actually open this because I want to see what all we've got in there. I mean, I suppose it says on the back, but I want to look. I want to see them. I've held my willpower out this long to keep this sealed until I did this video, so it's time to open, to at least look. Okay. Whoop. Oh, they're so autumnal! I love it! Okay, so the first one is Madagascar Vanilla. Ooh. If there's not little foil seals, I'm gonna sniff. But they probably are. Yeah, they are. Damn. Okay. Well, I will keep them sealed until I review, but Madagascar Vanilla. Rosé, which is funny that they would use that color, but I guess technically it's slightly pinkish, but it's like very brownish. Quinoa! Quinoa's a scent! Quinoa's a food! Quinoa's not a scent! Who are you kidding? And then Shea. Shea's a good scent, so alright. I'm actually very excited about all 4 of those, surprisingly. Even the weird-ass quinoa, because now I'm like, alright, so what does quinoa smell like, if that's a thing? So, because I'm like, I know quinoa is like an alternative, like, gluten-free pasta, so I'm like, I don't think that has a scent, but correct me if I'm wrong. So, I'll just set these right here for now, because they're going to go in the basket that's to be reviewed in short order. Let's see. So from La Roche-Posay, we have the Lipicar Wash AP Plus. Gentle Foaming Moisturizer Wash. So this is obviously a sample size. The full size is 13.52 ounces and $15, which isn't that bad, actually, given that I tend to think of this brand as like a bougie-ass brand for whatever reason, even though literally every beauty box, like, cannot just give this shit away in sample sizes. So I don't know why I assume it's such a bougie brand. I think it's just because it sounds fancy, because it's, like, French. Why you'll love it. Some cleansers take more than they give, but not this one. The fragrance-free milky gel removes all traces of makeup, leaving skin softer than it was pre-washed. The second ingredient in the formula is glycerin, a humectant that pulls water from the air to keep skin hydrated for hours. It also includes niacinamide to rebuild the skin's lipid barrier and shea butter to soften. How you'll use it. A little dab will do ya, dime size for your face, a couple of quarters for your entire body, and you still get just enough foaminess to tell your brain that you're getting clean. Oh, so it's not just like a face one. This could be a body, but I guess with that big of a bottle for the full size, I guess that makes sense. Okay, we'll see how it does on my face. If I like it enough, I might buy the full size to use on my body, because I'm like, that sounds actually pretty good, not gonna lie. Like, I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. We shall see. I'm more excited for this, because I freaking need it. So this is by Hero, and it's the Mighty Patch Micro Point for dark spots. Have we seen this little bastard? This has been on my face for over a month. That's not even a zit anymore. That's just the dark spot it left behind. It's not a scar. It's just a dark spot that's taking its damn sweet time to go away. This is for that. So, anyway, price $12.99 for... Aw, there's only 6 patches. Well, hopefully it'll work fast. So anyway, why you'll love it. Vitamin C and tranexamic acid are 2 of the best ingredients you'll find for brightening hyperpigmentation like sunspots. There's solid science backing them up, and it's why they're dermatologists' favorites. Both of these powerhouse brighteners are in Hero's patches, which are the perfect size for targeting dark spots and have a way of creeping up during the summer. How you'll use it: stick one onto a dark spot before going to bed. It won't slide around during the night, works quickly on new spots where pigment isn't as deep, and helps fade lingering spots over time. I wake up and immediately can see the pigment on new spots of hyperpigmentation lightening to my natural skin color, says Trakoshis. Well, that would be wonderful. I actually do have another product by Hero that, it's their lightning wand that's also meant for that, and I always forget I have it, but it is also meant for the same thing, so maybe between the two. Actually, I think, yeah, I have it literally right here. Yes, it is open. Yes, I have used it, but it's, the Dark Spot Brightening Serum, and I literally just forget that I own this, even though I have two of it, even. But yeah, so Zap Dark Spots with Lightning Wand, Daily Rollerball Serum that effortlessly brightens post-blemish pigmentation so you can bounce back after a breakup. Or breakup! Really, Self? But, yeah. So I'm actually going to keep these two together and stick them on my bathroom counter, so hopefully I freaking remember to use them tonight. So anyway, it doesn't even matter which one I use, just one of them. Either of them. It doesn't matter, just something. But anyway, that is everything that was in the July Allure Beauty Box. Fewer products, but there was that one that had 4 within it. So, I mean, that, you know, that makes it more than fair, I think. So, anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.